is Iain Stephenson, MarineMax Sarasota, and Azimut Yachts. I wanted to welcome you aboard one of the smallest flybridges of the Azimut fleet and bring you a little bit of information on the history of the Azimut brand, the company as a whole, and what truly makes an Azimut an Azimut. Azimut as a company was started by Paolo Vitelli in 1969, now well over 40 years of experience, design, and innovation in the yacht brand. Purchasing the Benetti brand, later on, he quickly bolstered the company to now the largest yacht manufacturer in the entire world. Starting from a smaller series all the way up to the Grande series, you'll see what truly makes a difference in these boats, both on the interior with luxury designers by Achille Silvani, all the way to the exterior by Stefano Regini. And the fit and finish immediately captures you when you see the Italian upholstery, the Italian hand-carved wood, the stainless aboard. Everything is to the best quality, the best that anyone can do in a yacht builder. Years, the designs have changed and technology has actually come into the mix with carbon fiber hardtops, props, interior things that you're going to see in these boats that truly make a difference to the owner and to the person that's selling them. If you'd like to see more, check out the short video that I made up explaining a little bit more about the Azimut brand, and thanks for coming on to the 42.